and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to get this really cute beachy pool hairstyle. If you are watching this on the day that this class came out, it is my birthday! Yay! But today is not my birthday, but I am celebrating it a little bit. I'm the kind of person that loves birthdays, and if I can, I celebrate for the whole entire month. With the quarantine stuff, it's making it a little bit difficult. Usually I love to have one big party and like have all my friends here, but clearly we're not going to do that. So I've just been kind of doing little smaller parties throughout the week with just small groups of friends, staying outside, social distancing, doing pool kind of stuff. And today I'm going to meet up with a couple of my girlfriends and we're going to go to the pool as well. Hence, I have my little bathing suit on that I got from Amazon. Oh my gosh, I got it in this like dark maroon color and also like a leopard print. So cute. I'll link these suits below. I just love them so much. They're so fun and they got a little style to them. And then I also just got in the mail today, right now, Amazon delivered, this cute little like cover up, and you could wear it like double off the shoulders. You could do one shoulder. You could put a little belt on it. It goes to about my ankles, but I love it so much that I think I might just go on Amazon after I film this and order another one because it's comfy, it's cute, and it just hangs perfectly. So I'll link this too for you. But today we are going to do just a fun little pool hairstyle. I kind of had it in my head and I want to try it. I've never actually done it before, but I've seen versions of it. And so we're just gonna do a fun little hairstyle for the pool. So I've already brushed out my hair pretty good, but I'm just gonna run the comb through it again one more time. Because I teased the back of my head, I made sure to comb the tease out because I want to do a middle part. I'm gonna do 2 braids going down the back. So I have my middle part going, so I'm just gonna follow my middle part all the way back. And what do you think I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say, look at the back of your head to see how the part looks. And you know, I'm just going to the pool. It looks pretty even, so I'm just gonna leave it where it is. But if it was way crooked, I'd probably do it again. But it's good enough for me for today. Now I'm only gonna work on one side of my head at a time. So I'm going to tie one side in a very tight ponytail, holding all my hair so that it doesn't get in the way of the other side. Now, because I have relatively thin hair, I am going to tease this half. If I were to tease it all, then the middle part would have just looked weird and it would have been really hard to make. So I made the middle part first, and then I'm gonna tease this side, braid, make it cute, and then I'm gonna go to this side and do the exact same thing on the other side. The tease will also give my braid a little bit more volume. Again, because I have thin hair, I can use all the help I can get. If you don't know how to tease, I will leave the link for you in the description so you can learn how to tease first and then come back and for this fun hairstyle. Okay, so as you can see, that's already given me so much more just like volume. And then we're gonna braid. So I'm gonna do an inside out braid. I have classes on braids too. If you don't even know how to braid at all, I have a class on the basic braid. If you want to get a little crazy, you could do the inside out braid. I have a lot of braid classes, so go check those out. I think I have a playlist on all the braid classes actually, so they should be pretty easy to find if you need help in the braid department. Now at this point, you can keep braiding and you can just do double braids, but I'm gonna do something a little different. I don't necessarily love going underwater when I go to the pool. I'm kind of like a sit on a floaty and stay on top kind of girl. So I don't always want to just like get my hair wet. So I'm going to just keep braiding it just a little bit. And then I'm actually going to tie it in like a messy bun just so that my hair stays, even if I go shoulder into the pool, my hair still stays up and doesn't get that wet. So I kind of braided it here. I'm going to let it go. And I'm just taking a rubber band. I'm just doing a low down messy bun. And you just pull it. So there's still a little bit of a braid in there that you can see. And then I'm gonna pull some pieces out. And you can do this beforehand, like as you're braiding if you want to, but it's up to you. And then you can just go through and kind of piece out the braid. Then, what do you think I'm gonna say? Look at the back of your head, see how it turned out. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Is that not adorable? I just love how that came out. It's so pretty. And now another thing you can do, if you could like redo the messy bun, or you can kind of tuck it up and bobby pin it up. You can also take your braids using a bobby pin. You can kind of come up under them. I'm moving forward and then back, kind of pushing my hair forward and then pushing the bobby pin back to cause the hair to stay a little more forward. Did you see how I did that? Also giving the braid support. And you could do that all the way down the braid. Now this got a little loose for me, so I'm just gonna take it out and do it again. There, that feels so much more tight. And if you want to, you can kind of tease the bun just a little bit, just to give it some volume. And now I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. And there you go. You just kind of have to play with it and bobby pin it till you get it where you like it. But now I can go all the way down to the pool up to here and like not really worry about getting my hair too wet. So it's kind of a hairstyle that you could play around with a little bit and do what you want. Keep in mind that this hairstyle is also really good for 2-3 day old hair. I actually just washed my hair yesterday. So my hair is a little soft for this, especially because I have such thin hair. Now, if I was to do this 3 days from now and then do this, my hair would hold. These braids would even be more exposed just because I would have so much texture in my hair already from hairspray that I used in the previous days and from being teased a couple days in a row. It would just hold a lot better. But this is what I'm working with today. It still works. It still looks super cute. I love how it came out. So it's up off my neck while I'm in the hot sun, but still looks super cute from all angles. I hope this inspired you. I hope that you try it out. If you do, please let me know in the comments below how you loved it. Take pictures, tag me on Instagram at AshleyULife. I would love to see what you ended up doing and how it came out. So before you run off to the beach or the pool with your super cool hairstyle, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Oh, and don't forget to use hairspray to hold it. I think that's good. And hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So if that's something you're interested in, please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any cool hairstyles or makeup tips or life hacks because that would be a shame. See you soon.